position that we put them into. And then
something like
this. Yeah, so a bit more flat though. So feet are the same height as the head. So you can on side still. Yeah.
like
Yeah. So like feet are the same as the head. Yep. So then if baby vomits, it's still going out away from you, which is awesome. Okay. Maybe this hand slides under the head and this one controls the body.
How was that, Tylisha?
Good.
Oh.
Okay. Beeping's gonna start in 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 30. Okay, breaths. So 1, 2, and then back to CPR. 1, 2, 3. With this, until you get that click. Okay, arms are still straight. Okay, you don't want to be bending your arms. Okay, triangle is going across his chest. Next thing I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to put my hand on your knee, I'm going to lift up your leg so that your foot's on the ground. Okay, and I've got another triangle. So it's all about triangles. Okay, so I've done all this bit and then last bit here I'm going to push him. Okay, so that if there's any fluid that comes out or vomit, it's going to go away from me and it's going to get out of his mouth, because if it stays in his mouth when he's on his back, it's going to choke and die. Okay, so one hand on the thigh, one hand on the shoulder, okay, and I'm going to push you over. Okay?
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Apply pads.
The ribs, isn't it?
Apply pads.
Okay.
Insert connector firmly. Analyzing heart rhythm. Charging. Stay clear of the patient. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered. Start CPR.
Just to show how good the ACT team is. Darren, what are we doing? And we're doing it while it's raining. Just look at that commitment.
Hi, welcome everyone. We are at Lake
Wongutha. We're here clearing the path for the tourist people so they can walk through. And the boys, they're cutting tea trees, digging it out of the ground and throwing it back in the bush.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes. Well, mostly because of scratches and
Oh, let's talk about
Yeah,
those
we enjoy
scratches. What do you think you could have done to prevent yourself from getting those scratches?
Wearing long pants.
wearing long pants.
Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, we had here Wongutha. Yeah, but anyway, we here to dig up some tea trees, and the girls are here to clear up some paths. Make sure when you come down here, we wear our steel caps, we wear protective gear, all that, gloves, so you don't get blisters. Yep, we're here. Yep, something like that else. Yep. Yeah, I'll hand you over to Chris. Yeah. Another reason why we wear boots and long pants and stuff. Yeah. You can see them buggers right there, snakes. If I want them to bite you, you'll be finished. Yeah.
You know, Unks?
How much trees have I got?
Yeah,
Approximately 20,000, I reckon.
20,000. Yeah, right. That's the trail's 20th of the day.
ka dinako tsotlhe a lefe kagiso a molemo le tshiamo tsa morena di le sale morago ka malatsi otlhe a botshelo jwa lona.
G'day Wongutha friends. When I was a youth back in 1960, my stepfather, Ken Fishwick, used to say, "Don't believe anything you hear about other people and only half of what you see." And I wondered what he meant. This week I heard a report about a mother whose son called her from overseas, saying that he urgently needed several $1,000s to get him out of a fix. She knew it was genuine because it was his voice, no doubt, so she sent the money. But it was not her son at all. It was a copy of his voice, or a clone, made using an artificial intelligence app which you can get on the internet. This app will listen to your voice for a few seconds, and then it can say anything with a voice that sounds so much like you that your mother will believe it is. So who and what can you trust and believe in today's world? One person you can trust to tell the truth is Jesus Christ, and the words of Jesus have been recorded by people who heard him speak, and they are found written in the Bible. In the Bible, Jesus says, for example, "I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. If you really know me, you will know my Father as well." How blessed we are in Australia to have the Word of God that you can hold in your hands. Did you know that in some countries you can be jailed or even killed for owning a Bible? So why not open this precious book and read the words of God, real truth about the God who loves us. In here is the truth about how the world was made and how people came into being, and about the amazing actions and words of Jesus, who is the only way to God. Do you have a Bible? Do you read it? G'day and God bless.